Finelo app review. Is it worth the money? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of the Finelo investing education app, its features, pricing, user experience, pros and cons, helping you decide if it's smart investment for your financial learning. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with it, Finelo is an educational trading app designed to help users learn the basics of investing and trading. It includes AI powered tools, interactive lessons, and a practice environment that simulates real world trading, all without losing actual money. The idea is to help beginners understand how investing works in a safe and engaging way. So, like any platform, Finelo has its strengths. Here are some of the most useful features. First is easy to use interface. The app is clean, modern, and very user friendly. Even if you're new to trading applications, you won't feel lost navigating through it. Second is extensive learning material. There are over 217 hours of educational content covering everything from stocks and crypto to passive income strategies. Apart from this, you'll have hands on learning tools. You'll find simulators, virtual coaches, and real world scenarios that make learning more interactive and practical. You'll have AI chart scanner, which is one of the standout features, and it is the best feature in the AI chart analysis tool. You can upload charts and receive AI generated insights to help you spot trends and patterns in the market. All in all, the educational approach is solid, especially for beginners who prefer to learn by doing. Now, let's talk about the downside because no app is perfect. It's not free. Well, you can explore a bit. Full access requires a paid subscription starting at around $6.93 per week. You'll have cancellation issues. Some users have reported difficulties when trying to cancel their subscription or request funds. The terms and conditions are not very transparent, and some users mention getting charged without clear communication. While many users love the educational value, others are frustrated with billing and customer support, saying they don't get timely help. User experiences with Finelo are a mixed bag. Some people generally like the app structure, especially the bite sized lessons and simulated trading environment. They find it engaging and informative, especially for those who are new to investing. On the flip side, some users have raised red flags about unexpected charges, subscription traps, and poor customer service, so it's not all smooth sailing. So here's my final take on Finelo. If you're looking for a well rounded application to learn about investing and trading, Finelo offers a lot of value, especially for newcomers. The combination of interactive tools, educational videos, and AI analysis make it a powerful platform for learning. However, before you jump in, make sure you understand the pricing model, check out recent user reviews, and consider starting with short-term plan to test if it's right for you. Ultimately, the decision is yours. It depends on your learning style and how much you're willing to invest in financial education. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.